It's here! About a week ago, we took delivery of my favorite body kit for the AMG GTS. Just starting this off, we're about to go check it out. Also, this video is brought to you by Helix Sleep, and we'll talk to you about them here in a minute. Not to waste any more time, let's check it out. Oh my God, guys, it's finally here. It is finally here. I've been waiting for this for a long time. I'm so excited right now. Wow. I probably should just grab my real camera, but I'm on my phone right now because I'm just excited. All the way from Poland. Bro. Ooh. Ooh. Are you guys ready for the craziest I could possibly make my AMG? I hope so. I've been waiting to do this. I've been waiting to unbox this for a while. I'm just gonna get to it. We've had so much other stuff going on, from the Civic to the Skyline to Evo to getting my other Subaru in, my BRZ. Now I can finally get this thing open. Can we just appreciate all of the detail in this? I mean, this is super cool. I want to give a big thank you and a big shout out to Carbonerre. If you guys remember, I made a video a couple months ago, maybe 2 or 3 months ago. I showed you guys the insane wheels that I built for this car. Those wheels were built for this kit. I need to get this unboxed and then on the Mercedes as soon as possible. I'm gonna stop talking, but we're gonna wide body the Mercedes.
It's gonna take a long time.
Yeah, I think it actually might take a long time. We're gonna have to save this. At least this side. We're gonna have to like put it on the wall. I'll even use like their Carbonerre washers and everything. Drill that into the wall. Where should I put it? Over the TV maybe? Anybody want to trade a mint condition S13 for this box? It moved.
Coming off.
It moved. All right, I think we're done.
I didn't show the name on it earlier because it couldn't. There we go.
Got a couple close-ups. Oh my God. Here we go. I think that means I'm 12th in the USA to run this kit. Or it's the 12th one he shipped to the USA. He's got body kits in Japan. I mean, literally worldwide. Okay, more screws.
Seriously? So cool. Drew gets first looksies.
Oh, wow. Yeah, so unlike my incredible FedEx experience with my other body kit, which by the way I never got reimbursed for, that's cool. He actually packages these correctly in a big container. And so there's no risk of it getting wrecked. It's also very expensive to ship. Before we continue with this video is brought to you by Helix Sleep. Helix Sleep is a mattress brand I've worked with for a long time. They're a big supporter of the channel and they make fantastically comfy mattresses. We have the Moonlight Luxe. Something cool about them, if you don't know already, is you can shop online, you take a quiz, they pick out the perfect mattress for you based on what you have answered. When you buy the mattress, they then ship you the mattress in a box free of charge. It shows up on your doorstep, it inflates, it's crazy how it works, but insanely comfortable. And the cool thing is, you get a 100-night sleep trial to where if you don't like it, which that's not possible, but if you don't like it, you can get your money back guaranteed and they'll even pay the return shipping. Do me a big favor and go to the link, click the link I've got for you in the description. I can save you guys up to $200 and get 2 free pillows on your first mattress purchase if you just go to helixsleep.com/EvanShanks. Big thank you to Helix, huge supporter of the channel, love working with them, and I love sleeping on the mattress. Let's get back onto the video. This kit has, oh my God, it's multi-layered. It's like a, this is really high quality.
I'm super impressed.
Oh, no, it's like thick.
Just like you like it.
Yep. So these are the skirts. I get everything laid out and then we'll unbox it.
I'm just impressed with the packaging.
I think the car is gonna be 30 or 50 millimeters wide. No, 30 in the front, 50 in the back, I think. Maybe even more. I actually might need a hand.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is the, okay, so this is the rear bumper and the diffuser.
Oh, there's more. Oh my gosh.
Well, yeah, we got the whole wide body in here.
Goodness.
Whack. Oh, there we go. Okay, now we can get it. As for what the rest, this is the orb of life. Oh, I don't know what this is. The rest of it is just going to be the over fenders, the wing components, all the little tiny details, and probably most of the hardware for the kit. I'm gonna get everything laid out, then we'll unbox. I do not know where to start. This is the most thorough unboxing I've ever done in my life. I've never uncrated anything, to be fair. To be fair.
Okay, Jaren, come on.
Babe, really? So one thing I have to say is I don't know if this will fit my current bumper. I might actually have to buy an OEM 2018 and up front end. It might be kind of close, but I'd rather just fit like OE. Honestly, I can resell my prior design kit for probably more than I can actually buy an OE front bumper.
Wow.
This is gonna take a really long time, guys.
Just like the quality of the mold.
Yeah.
Looks so good.
The guys at Carbonerre, they put a lot of time and effort into this kit. I mean, this is already, I'm really impressed, but this is seriously, this has gotta be the highest quality of body kit I have ever seen. Wild.
Break it.
Oh boy. Don't know what that is. Oh, this might be fins for the rear diffuser.
It looks like the present that Dwight got that he thought was a gun, but it was like a nutcracker. You want some help?
Yeah. I'll just unbox everything and then show you guys because this is gonna take a long time. Boom. This is a lot of stuff. This is a lot of stuff. Actually, did she unbox the exhaust tips? Oh yeah. Oh, Drew, that's pretty spicy. I like this. Okay, so I think that's just the outside. I think the exhaust actually exits into. That's pretty freaking cool. Anyways, so we've got, well, I guess I didn't undo the wing. I'm gonna probably actually keep the wing in there because I don't need it out yet. We've got the rear bumper and we've got, look at this. Look at this quality. They actually put this heat protectant on the massive diffuser that it comes with. I mean, that is just so sick. We've got the side skirts. We've got the arches right here. So these are the rear arches. Let's go ahead and see. Let me show you guys.
Golly.
It's that much wider. It's a lot of wide. Yeah, I'm gonna have to buy some very big tires for this, which is really cool. Probably like some 355s,
How small that tire is compared to.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. So we've got that, and then the rear bumper obviously kind of arches out to meet this, and then you've got new skirts that arch out as well. I did confirm fitment on this, but I still might put the body kit up for sale. This technically does work with this kit, but it would probably be easier to sell this body kit as a whole. It would technically work. Under that, I've got this huge splitter in the front, and then we've got all of these little pieces. Here you've got some, these are 3D printed, I think? No, these are fiberglass. There's some 3D printed stuff like this. Fender vents. These are gonna go right back here, right there, and stuff like this. These vents are gonna go up here, basically. This kit was made to kind of replicate a GT3 car. So I'm just gonna call it the GT3 Widebody kit, but Carbonerre, so sick. And I can't wait to test fit it, dude. Oh man. I've always wanted to wide body a supercar, or just like a really nice car.
Yeah.
We're doing it.
I see on the internet you can just like do that and it happens.
Yeah, I need to make a TikTok where I just like, you know what, that's a good idea right now. And then it's gonna be there.
It didn't happen.
I'm gonna get Jose out here and we're gonna test fit and get the body kit fitted up ASAP so that we can also order tires and get this thing on the road. It shouldn't be too terribly hard, but it's gonna be a little painful to cut the car up. I just got really close to my face. I'm very sorry about that. Get an airsoft so I can do this really, really, really nicely. This is gonna feel so weird, Drew, cutting up my AMG. It's gonna look so sick. If you guys wanna see a little bit more about Carbonerre or what the kit looks like when it's done, check out his Instagram. Now, I can't give too much away this video, But we've got the kit fitted up at this point, and you'll see next video. I'm very excited to show you guys. It is insane. Big shout out and big thank you to Lucas over at Carbonerre. Please, if you can, just go check out his Instagram, give a couple of his photos a like. It's simple, likes are free. You don't even have to go buy it. It's not like you gotta go buy a body kit or something. At least give him a follow, like some of his photos, tell him how much you love his kit, because I'm very excited to work with him, and it's gonna be one of the coolest, probably one of the most unique cars out there. Like, for me personally, I see Liberty Walk Ferraris actually a lot. I see wide body Huracans pretty often. I mean, I see Pagani Huayras. Like, this is the only wide body AMG, and actually one of the few AMGs like this in Dallas, and it's just pretty cool. So I'm excited to kind of bring this car to the next level and just make it stand out that much more. My daily advice for you guys today is it's simple. Pause for a second and just think. Treat others how you want to be treated. It doesn't matter how they treat you in return. It doesn't matter. If you endlessly pour out love and compassion and patience and kindness, you will get that back in return eventually. So treat others how you, especially online, especially when you're typing, especially when you're hiding behind a screen. Don't be a coward. It takes nothing to be nice. It costs $0 to be nice. It costs a lot to wide body a car, but it costs $0 to be nice. Love you guys. Make sure you subscribe, turn those notifications on, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace. Hey, I got 2 videos for you guys to watch. It helps me out a ton if you continue to watch my content. It really does. It actually does. There's like an algorithm thing for that. So click on one of those 2 videos and subscribe. And don't forget, have a great day.